Game tayo, Gar. Game. Nagbaros. Ayaw niya na ng Randuins! Ay, gagi, tol. Mali yung nakuha ko. Ba't ako nag-pink ward?
Stand with me, brothers and sisters.
Wala pala akong first kill. Lutang.
Who dares defy my will?
Sila ulit, oh. Marami tayong may encounter na ganito. Yung mga paulit-ulit na kakalaban. Lalo 5 man, madaling araw.
Purge the unjust. For my father, the king. Protect the faithful.
Sige, ano muna? Minions muna, boss. Minions. Sige. Minions. Sige, ubusin mo. Wala na, umuwi na si Ambetot. Ano na lang tayo? Sorry. Plating.
Ours is what to do. Demacia, now and forever. The day
Ganda ng skin na to, pre. Nakano na ako eh. 7 days trial. Ay! Kailangan ko pala ng boots. Pambira.
Find me greater foes.
Nag-ult si Ambessa, okay. Ah, sino nag-ult? Si Ori, okay. Okay. Wait lang, boss, ah. Pag bumaba pa ng konti yung buhay niyan. Ay, gagi, tol. Nasa ilalim ka ng torre, tol. Wala akong third. Sorry.
Ally slain. Enemy slain. Turret is under attack. Double kill. Enemy slain. You have slain an enemy.
Okay, jungle nila, no?
Enemy slain.
Viego. Ah, patay. Patay si Viego. Invade tayo dito, Gar. Clear mo agad, boss, yung minions para walang ma-farm si Yambesa.
Hope it's not dented.
Ay, gago. Wala akong boots, pambihirang yan. Help me! Buti ba grabe, ang angas ng champion na to. May slow pa.
Ally
O, attack
slain.
speed. Gusto yung attack speed. Atras na ako, boss. Ay, gago! Nakasunod.
You have been slain.
Nakasunod.
Bottom turret is under attack.
Nakasunod. Nakasunod.
Bottom turret is under attack.
Mali yun ah. Okay lang yun. Ano yun? Nagpapatay talaga ako doon para ma-pass recall.
Infernal dragon have spawned. On my way. Retreat from the dragon.
I think we can fight, you know, like...
The enemy team has slain the dragon.
Uy. Triple kill! Ma-assassinate si Jarvan the Fourth.
On my way.
For my father, the king.
Start na. Sige.
But to do
Has slain the enchanted ensemble. Enemy slain. Ally slain.
Walang tatakas ha. Sama-sama tayo mamamatay. Kukulong ko kayo.
Double kill. Enemy slain. First turret destroyed.
Mataapang tong kupal na to eh.
righteous retribution.
Okay, re-reset muna ako guys. Sobrang dami ko ng gold. Pero wait lang. I need more.
Enemy turret destroyed. Top turret is under attack. Enemy slain.
Okay, let's go back and buy some Standard Sky. So this item will give you critical every first attack on the enemies.
On my way.
Kala nyo kasi mastery lang alam ko eh. Tapos natalo no. Kaya ako lang gago pagkalo no. Okay, mahunat ako.
Rampage. Enemy turret destroyed.
Okay, back muna.
Danger.
Frozen Heart. Yeah. This is also good for my mana, first of all, and also for Viego. And Varus attack speed as well.
Demacia.
Dos, shoutout sa'yo, idol.
And forever.
Pag may umalis siguro, idol. Kompleto pa kami, Lods, eh.
I meet greater foes.
May pangtagos pa sa pader si, ano, guys? Si Anbesa. Or wala. Gago to. Oh, wala nang ulti yan, ah. Wala nang ulti yan, Gar. May DR, guys. May DR. Prayo DR, prayo DR. Grabe na pula. Grabe naman kayo, Gar.
They're perfect. Well, Slayer is a hero.
Nice. We can go for Baron now.
On my way.
Grabe. Ito muna. Gagi, tol. Buti na lang hindi nyo pinatay yung BR. Kuha yun ng kalaban. Ako pa ba? Oh, nag-flash. Wala nang flash si Baros, ha.
Protect the faithful.
Magkaka-flash si Baros 13 minutes.
Greater foes.
Pwede nyo huli-huliin yung Baros, guys.
I love a challenge.
Okay, reset muna ako. Mabilis na naman ako makapunta dyan. Kukuhaan ko Herod ng red buff,
Brothers and
guys.
sisters.
Kaya mag-alala.
Demacia. Now and forever.
You are unstoppable. Enemy turret destroyed.
Buhay ako.
Enemy turret destroyed.
That was so amazing. He lured us out of their base.
Protect the faithful.
Pupush ako dito sa top side, ah.
On my way. Ally slain. Enemy double kill. Double kill. Ally
Kagi, ubos tayo.
enemy triple
What's
kill.
happened?
You are godlike. Enemy killing spree. Shut down. Ace.
Spirit Visage. Yeah, anti-heal as well.
Middle turret is under attack. Turret lost. Top turret is
Dito na lumalabas yung tunay na kapangyarihan ng AP. Yan. Yan, by the way, yan. Late game na guys, late game na. Sobrang sakit na ng Orianna. No? Si Orianna ata nakaubo sa atin eh. Ay, nag-BR. Dito na kayo. Iwanan nyo na yan. Nice, boys and girls.
team has slain Baron Nashor. You have slain an enemy. Bottom turret is under attack.
Unang na-realize ko na mag-BR sila. Tinignan ko. May DR kami, may DR din yung kalaban. So pagka ganun, medyo wala nang silbi yung last DR. Kasi wala na rin naman magda-DR soul.
Enemy turret
Tapos buhay pa yung BR. So parang inisip siguro ni Diego, magdi-DR tayong lahat.
Find me
Ito ko napansin eh. Tapos yung icon niya nandun na sa BR. Grabe yung kunat ko. Kailangan nila ng anti-shield.
enemy turret destroyed.
Ha ha ha.
Enemy slain. Triple kill. Rampage. Shut down.
Sorry, natrap.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Grabe, nasa base na. Pinapauwi mo pa sa base, papi. And that's how you play Jarvan perfectly in Wild Rift.